That's a good four-wheeler right there. Ben is so... Ben, you want to take the mule through there? You should shut it off. Look, it's steaming.
Let him drive the mule through there.
Let him drive the mule through there. The four-wheeler's steaming. You want to drive it through there?
Yeah.
All right, Jay's going to drive it through there.
Man, move the four-wheeler.
Yeah, you got to move it. Look at that. It's clean, too. You got to push the four-wheeler out of the way. Because Jay's going to go through it. Got an iPod in my hand. I can't. Look at it steaming. All right, Jay.
I'm not gonna go fast. I gotta be forward. Whoa, Jay! It's cool.
If that four-wheeler can take it, the mule can. It ain't that deep, actually.
Oh, I never put
That looks like a snake right there, but it's not.
the ripples.
So this black thing keeps popping up.
It'll be staring at the water.
It's actually pretty big. All right, here he comes. Whoa!
Get back!
Alright, I guess I'll get in there with you and do this. Alright, we are in the mule ready.
You getting on?
He's gonna ride the four-wheeler. You gonna go through there again?
Ben, we're just gonna go ahead and go up. We'll just follow behind Ben wherever he goes.
Sure.
Ben, we're following you. Now hurry up and buckle that
I'm
home.
gonna get up in front. Oh, that's what I'm gonna do is you riding through. I got the I got the tire. I'm not gonna try that. I'm on me.
Let go, you're in the mud.
God. Seat's hot.
Gosh,
That
that seat's
four-wheeler is
crazy.
awesome. You know it's still four-wheel drive, right?
Yeah,
Alright.
that's the point. I don't want to get stuck. What's gonna pull the mule out?
That four-wheeler? That thing could probably pull it out. It's just going. Oh!
Oh! That kid's going nuts.
In my mouth.
On my eye. Oh man, it's splashing up through the top. Oh, we're sliding.
Hope we don't lose that bucket.
Oh, the bucket?
Here we got the bucket.
Go, Ben! If all it is water, it's not gonna get us. Go! Oh!
He trying to ruin the iPod? Oh God! Trying. Let's get this steep hill. Ah!
That was good.
Go through the big mud puddle. I
Oh,
wanna
Ben's coming up.
go through
It's coming up.
Go through the big mud puddle.
Oh, my bad, my bad.
It's alright. The big one. I want to get it on video.
Alright, here's the moment of truth. That's the truth.
Ben's coming up on. Now how come Ben can make it a giant wall of water?
I can't make a giant wall of water because because you'll lose the iPhone.
I'll do it from standing out there.
Also, I don't want to get too muddy, like wet. I'll get muddy, but I don't want to get wet.
You want to let Ben do it?
He is gonna do it.
And the mule? So you can make that giant wall of water he made the other day? Ain't gonna be water puddles for long. Downhill. Look at me, he's about to flip that.
He's gonna get stuck.
Oh, he's getting sucked in. He's sliding in.
Oh! Go, man, go! Go, man! You're gonna get stuck! Turn the wheel!
He's got it. Oh my God. He's doing donuts.
Ben, you're gonna flood the engine. Look at this. Look at him. All right, we're going through.
This is the last time I'm running low on battery.
You're already running low.
Yeah, I didn't charge it all the way. So this is the last run through. They can make it good.
Look at Ben, man.
Is he stuck? Oh no. He's stuck!
Oh, it's back time. Oh, he's got the brakes on. You got the brakes on.
No, he doesn't.
Oh, now it's stuck. Oh my God. Dude, don't go in that drop off.
Alright, let's go through the big puddle one last time and then I'll turn it off. Like, go through there.
Go, Ben.
Go, Ben! Ben!
That is a bad setup. Oh my gosh, the horsefly.
Where?
I just killed it. Go, man!
Hold up.
He's stuck.
Oh God. Might be using that rope. Oh, he's got it. We'll go around, come back through, and I'll turn it off.
Like, go back through one more time.
Yeah, go back and we'll stop at the fishing hole, and then we'll stop. Stop the video, and then we can keep mudding. And I won't have to hold a camera, and we can do some craziest stuff. We had Caleb out here.
Are you gonna take that back?
Oh no, I'll just let it die, and then I'll charge it at my house before I go up to Lake Marion. Oh, by the way, guys, a couple days from now, we'll be up at Lake Marion, where we've been catching the catfish and soft-shell turtles and all sorts of fish. We'll be making some videos up there, so if you watch this one, make sure to watch the other one about the fishing at Lake Marion. So this will be our last puddle we go through. Make it count, Jay. There we go. Alright guys, we'll tune into the new videos.